Hi everyone, are you ready for the fluffiest out of the fluffiest hot chocolates out there, bursting with peanut butter flavor? I hope so. And let's get right into it. You'll need 1 cup of full-fat milk, like whole milk, or even add a tablespoon of heavy cream if you are feeling extra naughty. Of course, if you are vegan, use plant-based milk. I would recommend either almond or oat one, but not coconut milk as it does have distinctive flavor. Heat the milk over medium heat, stirring occasionally, like every minute or so. Once the milk is warm and it starts to steam, just before the boiling point really, we need to lower the heat. I'm adding Belgian chocolate as I had a spare one in my cupboard. However, you can add dark chocolate, branded chocolate like Galaxy, or even your favorite instant hot chocolate. Basically, feed the hot chocolate base to your liking. Just make sure that you lower the proportions if you do use sweetened chocolates, as otherwise the sweetness might get overwhelming with the peanut butter. A key note here is to whisk a lot throughout the whole recipe, and do not add peanut butter at the same time as chocolate to avoid lumps and prevent ingredients from sticking to the pan. Pinch of salt to balance the sweetness, few drops of vanilla paste for extra flavor, and finally peanut butter. I'm using the peanut butter with chunks just because I have a whole bucket of it, but I would say smooth peanut butter version would give you that ultimate smoothness. 1 tablespoon is enough. Trust me, 2 tablespoons is just too much. Been there, done that, barely could finish the cup. So here is the thing, when I came across the peanut butter recipe for the first time, I imagined rich and creamy texture, but instead I got this. I tried to heat it up for ages in the pan, but peanut butter just didn't want to completely dissolve. Like seriously, what is this? How are people drinking it? I was about to give up, but then I thought about peanut butter smoothies. Like, they're smooth. So I decided to give the blender a go, and oh boy, it was such a good idea. Firstly, let the hot chocolate sit for a few minutes so that it's no longer hot, but still warm, and then blend it for 10 or 20 seconds. That fluffiness, oh my god, look at this. And that's it. Pour it into tiny cups and enjoy with a drizzle of chocolate syrup and some crushed peanuts. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried the recipe and what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mugelicious recipes. If you're a coffee lover, you might wanna check out my Amazon merch or Zazzle store with the cutest designs ever. The link is in the description box below. Have a terrific day and see you next Thursday day.